Next to me, we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's powered by a 454 big block, made it to a TH350. The paintwork itself is a 7.5 out of 10. Right now we're battling the weather, so we just looked at the radar. Let me see your radar. We've got a little break that's about to come up, and we're gonna go take it out for a ride so you can see how it sounds and how it performs. Then we're gonna bring it back in and hopefully not have to dry it off. Watch your head when you walk under the car so you don't hit your head. Pull this out. It's drizzling a little bit, but let's get a nice walk around before we go for the ride. Listen to this thing. Oh my gosh. That's nice, huh? Let me shut it off. I'll do a quick walk around and we'll take it for a ride down Ravenswood. We'll start off with the front end of this 70. This is my favorite body style. This is the iconic piece of a muscle from the 70s, 60s and 70s. All right, so here's the heart of the beast. It's a 454 big block, long tube headers, brand new double pumper, 750. Power brakes as well, so you can see it's got a new master cylinder. That's that thing right there. And the engine bay is very detailed. This is definitely true muscle. Power steering as well. When I close the hood, you're gonna see that there's a little flap up here. So this has a cowl induction hood. When you start it up, it runs off the vacuum. And when you gun it, it actually opens up and gives that engine fresh air, which is pretty neat. You'll see in the video. Chrome is driver quality, so there are minor imperfections. I do like that they added the hood pins. Lets people know what's going on. The stripes are very nice. These are painted on, that's not vinyl. All your lights work as they should. You've got your Firestone white ovals on there. So that's like a period style tire. Then you have your SS emblems and 454 right here. All the trim looks good, and then the vinyl top just really breaks it apart. I like how they tinted the windows too. Interior is extremely clean as well. Take a look at this. Center shift, brand new radio. We replaced the speakers. We did some dash work as well. Quarter is nice too, and then look at the door. You'll see that it has the rubber is all nice. They put the GM sticker there, and all your bumpers are still in place. When you close it, it's nice and solid. Quarter looks good. And then the trunk, let me get the key and I'll open it up for you so you can see inside. We're trying to beat this rain here. We'll dry it off before we put it away. Trunk is nice and clean. They did the spray job in here. So they spray this splatter, but it's solid. I think it'll clean up really nice if you put like a mat inside there. There's your sticker for limited slip. We'll try to test that out, and I'm sure it'll be pretty easy with these weather conditions. Passenger side quarter looks great. All of your bumpers, they're even too, so all of this is even on both sides, so I think the quarters have never been replaced. Wheels look good, and then look underneath there, it's got a 12 bolt. So you got a 12 bolt down there, you can see that with the sway bar, your oval exhaust. And open up the passenger side. Move these rags and cleaning supplies. Nice and clean piece. And this is a real deal muscle car. The typical, you have to push down on the hood so it straightens out, and I do have minor imperfections right here, just so you know. That's why we gave that designation 7.5 out of 10 for the paint job. Let me go ahead and start it up and take a look at the cowl when I start it. Ready? That's pretty cool. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. All right, so you've got your center shift here. You're gonna put it into 3. Feel that the transmission doesn't pop. It's not banging into gear. Reverse as well. Feels good. Your tack is working as it should. We're at 500 RPMs. It does manipulate sometimes, so sometimes it doesn't show the exact RPM, and then other times it does. I haven't been able to figure that out. Your speedometer works as it should, the clock works, and so does the temperature gauge. For the radio, you just, I think it's band, and then you can control everything from there. We did replace the rear speakers with Rockford Fosgate speakers. Seat belts are right here, and then you also have the seat belts up top. And look at the nice headliner. Got a new light up here too. And then the back is nice. You don't see anything protruding out of the corners. Let's see if the wipers work. So wipers do not operate, and we will take care of that before it leaves. Brakes feel really good, and our oil pressure is at around 40 PSI right now. Has a very healthy cam. We'll just drive it normally right now. Shift's smooth, steering is smooth. You can actually turn the wheel and it moves in the correct direction. The throttle is very, like, you can literally, like, oh my gosh. Are you ready? Here we go. Still spinning. Woo-hoo! I had to let off. It would have kept on spinning. This thing's fun. It's like just jumping back in time to the 70s when you have raw power at your toes. Amazing. 954-363-2261. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.